What's the meaning of counter? Counter. Counter.
Counter. Counter. The word counter has a few different meanings depending on the context. It can refer to a surface used for conducting business transactions or displaying goods, as in a store counter. It can also mean an opposing force to something else, as in a military counterattack. In mathematics and computing, a counter is a variable used for counting events or occurrences. Overall, the term counter generally refers to something that is used to keep track of or oppose something else.